Oh no, what did you do?
I am so sorry.
You cut it too short.
I misunderstood you completely.
I said trim, not cut.
I am truly so sorry.
This is too short now.
I know, I am sorry.
Can you fix this somehow?
Hair cannot grow back immediately.
I know that, but still.
Let me style it nicely.
Can styling really help now?
Yes, I can try.
How can you style this?
With products and technique.
What products will you use?
Volumizing spray and wax.
Will it look much better?
Yes, I promise you.
You promised a good cut, too.
I know, I failed you.
I had an appointment today, too.
What kind of appointment?
A very important job interview.
Oh no, I am sorry.
I cannot go looking like this.
Let me fix it now.
Can you really fix it?
I will do my absolute best.
When is your appointment exactly?
I mean your appointment today?
In 2 hours from now.
Okay, I have time.
2 hours is enough time?
Yes, more than enough time.
What exactly will you do?
Shape, style, and volumize.
Will it look professional enough?
Yes, very professional indeed.
Are you absolutely sure about this?
I am 100% sure.
Okay, I trust you then.
Thank you for trusting me.
Do not cut any more, though.
No more cutting, I promise.
Only styling from now on?
Yes, only styling now.
What is volumizing spray for?
Makes hair look fuller.
My hair looks thin now.
Spray will help a lot.
How long does spray last?
All day long, easily.
What about the wax?
Wax adds texture and shine.
Will it look shiny?
Yes, beautifully shiny hair.
Is shiny good for interview?
Yes, looks very polished.
Okay, that sounds better already.
Good, starting right now.
Is this style fashionable now?
Yes, very trendy right now.
Really? Short hair is trendy?
Very much in fashion.
Maybe this is not so bad.
Exactly, embrace the change.
Embrace the change? Really?
Short hair looks very bold.
Bold? Am I bold now?
Yes, very confident and bold.
I never had hair this short.
It really suits your face.
Does it really suit me?
Yes, honestly it does.
You are not just saying that?
No, I mean it completely.
My face shape is oval?
perfect for short hair. Oval face suits short hair? Yes, it is perfect combination. I did not know that. Now you know forever.
Are you almost finished now?
Just 2 more minutes.
It is looking different now.
Different in a good way?
Actually, yes, different good way.
I am so relieved.
It is starting to look nice.
I told you so.
Did you train for this?
Yes, 10 years experience.
10 years! That is impressive.
Thank you very much.
Have you done this before?
Fixing my mistakes? Yes.
That is honest answer.
Honesty is very important.
I appreciate your honesty today.
Thank you for understanding me.
Is it finished now?
Yes, completely finished now.
Oh, wow, this looks amazing.
You look absolutely beautiful.
I cannot believe this transformation.
Short hair changed everything.
I actually really love it now.
I am so happy.
Should I keep it short?
Yes, it suits you perfectly.
How much do I owe?
Today, it is completely free.
Free? Why is it free?
For the stress I caused.
That is very kind of you.
It is least I can do.
I will leave good review.
That means everything to me.
You are a very talented hairdresser.
Thank you so much.
I will come back again.
I will be here waiting.
Maybe for another shortcut.
Next time, intentional shortcut.
Yes. Goodbye and thank you.
Good luck at your interview.